Welcome to Catastrophes World, the channel dedicated to the tragedies and catastrophes that have marked the history of the world. Here we also explore the great discoveries that change the course of our knowledge. An extraordinary natural phenomena that remind us of the power and complexity of our planet. Today we're going to talk about a fascinating and disturbing topic, solar storms. These cosmic events can have a devastating impact on our modern lives, disrupting power grids, satellites, and even our global communications. But what exactly is a solar storm, and which have been the most devastating in history? Stay tuned to find out. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. This way, you won't miss the next videos on tragedies, disasters, discoveries, and phenomena that defy human understanding. A solar storm is a phenomenon caused by the sun's activity, in particular the expulsion of large amounts of energy and charged particles into space. When these particles interact with the Earth's magnetic field, they can cause electromagnetic disturbances on a global scale. The main events related to solar storms are solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and geomagnetic storms, which can have devastating consequences for modern technology. The most famous solar storm in history is undoubtedly that of 1859, known as the Carrington event. This phenomenon was so powerful that it generated aurora borealis visible as far as the Caribbean. Telegraphs around the world caught fire, causing chaos in communications. If such a storm were to occur today, it could black out entire nations, destroying satellites and power grids. The Quebec event in 1989, this geomagnetic storm affected the electrical grid of Quebec, Canada, leaving millions without electricity for over 9 hours. The economic damage was enormous, and this event demonstrated how vulnerable we are to medium-intensity solar storms. Even in more remote times, solar storms have left their mark. Chinese and Japanese writings speak of extraordinary auroras and luminous phenomena in the sky, evidence of exceptional solar events. With our dependence on technology, a large solar storm could have catastrophic effects. Down power grids, inoperable GPS, and disruptions in global communications are just some of the consequences. Fortunately, we now have tools to monitor the sun and predict these storms, but are we really prepared to face them? Solar storms are an impressive natural force and a reminder of how vulnerable our planet is to the power of the sun. Can we survive another Carrington storm? Only time will tell. Thank you so much for following us. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like to support us and let us know you want more content like this. We look forward to seeing you at the next disaster, catastrophe, or discovery.